question from CSAT 2023 IAS prelims. Raj, he has certain pairs of shoes. So shoes are like this. Total 10 pairs of red shoes, then 9 pairs of white shoes and 8 pairs of black shoes. So if he randomly picks up shoes one by one, that means from the box he is taking out these shoes one by one and he is not putting them back. So to get a pair of red shoes to wear, what is the maximum number of attempts he has to make? And these are the options given. So we'll solve this. It can be solved by probability and otherwise you can do simple arithmetic and solve it. So the catch in the question is pairs. So when you say 10 pairs of red shoes, so that means there are total 20 shoes and he's taking shoes one by one. So to remove all 20 he needs 20 attempts. This is I'm just explaining you the meaning of taking out shoes one by one. So we'll see it now again. 10 pairs of red shoes, then 9 pairs of white shoes and 8 pairs of black shoes. So 10 pairs means total 20 shoes. 9 white shoes means total 18 shoes and 8 black means total 16 shoes. So he wants to wear a pair of red shoes. The worst case is that after all the white and black shoes are taken out, he gets red one. So how many attempts are required to take out these shoes? This is the worst case. So total are how many? 8 plus 6, 14, carry over 1 and 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 34. So that means 34 attempts he need to make. 34 attempts. In this 34 attempts, he'll clear all white and black shoes in these 34 attempts. Now next one will be only red shoes. So to take out red shoes one by one, he needs 2 more attempts. So total are 36. And our answer is option B.